Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today on this YouTube channel Fame World Educational Hub, you are watching the series of Android operating system, and the series of Android operating system will be taught by Danish sir.
Hello everyone. So today we will be studying about how to create a new project in Android Studio. These are my projects. First screen will open of the Android Studio. Android Studio will open. Click on File. Click on New Project. These are activity pages in your Android Studio. Click on Empty Activity. Click on Next. This page here you can give the description of your project. Here first of all we will give name like my first project. This specifies the package name in which the file project will go. This is the location where it will store all the documents related to this. This is the language procedure. We can select any of them. We will select Java first. This is the Android version which can be used. I've told already what are Android versions. These Android versions we can use, so we'll click the basic one so that 100% devices could run that software, and we'll click on finish. This takes time to make directory and install the software related to that. So here the project is nearly made. So running is going on project. This takes time. As we can see, there are two activities open. This is XML file, this is Java file. In XML file we do the designing of that page, and in Java file we do the coding of that page. There are two methods to do. One is design directly without using codes. And one is this way that we have to type here codes. This is text view. It is written hello world. So here when we do preview of this, see here it comes hello world. We can change here Android. The changes will be seen here. We can increase this size. Text size we will select. We will say 44 dp. So here the size has increased to 44 dp. This is text view. We can make much more things of this, like we can make button. We will just have to type BU, it will come button. These are width and height. Like if we select match parent, is full screen, width will be from left to right full. If we select wrap content, it will set according to its need, not full screen but according to its needs. Like here if I select match parent, enter, see width of whole screen is covered. If I select here wrap content, see only this area is covered in height. If I select here match parent, then whole screen will be covered with this button only. See, if I do here wrap content, then only this portion will be selected. See, only this portion is selected. In the next tutorial, I will tell you about how many types of things we can enter here or what we can do with these kind of softwares. Thank you so much. Next video will follow soon.
Thanks for watching. You can also find many other courses on FameWord Educational Hub. So the courses on C language, C++ language, Java, Java Swing, Advanced Java, CCC, UML, DBMS and Advanced DBMS, Web Designing, PHP, .NET, Android operating system, JavaScript with Node.js, Intermediate Mathematics series, Inorganic Chemistry and many other courses are available on FameWord Educational Hub. So don't forget to check the playlist section because different playlists on different courses are available there. Positively check the playlist section. You can also find FameWord Educational Hub on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow us by the name FameWord Educational Hub on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, comment your queries and suggestions in the comment box, share the video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the notification bell because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting some notification of our latest uploads. Also check the description box for FameWord Educational Hub WhatsApp group link because the description box contains the WhatsApp group link of FameWord Educational Hub and you are invited to join the group. Must join. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.